Hey guys, welcome back to Nathan's Bikeapedia. Today I will be teaching you how to ride with no hands. Before we start, I do want to say that this skill is a lot easier to learn if you already know how to ride a bike. If you don't, leave it in the comments, and if it gets enough votes, I will make a video about it. Step 1. Ride your bike. Step 2. Take your hands off the handlebars. Now, I know that sounds cliche, but if you just do it, nothing will happen providing you stay calm. Think back to the first time you learned to ride a bike. What was the key thing you learned? The faster you go, the easier it is to stay up. Of course, there is a breaking point, but you probably won't reach that. When you take your hands off the bars, keep pedaling at the same cadence as you were before. It helps you keep speed and, more importantly, your balance. Congratulations, you now know how to ride your bike straight with your hands off the handlebars. But what if you want to turn? Contrary to popular belief, you can turn without the handlebars. When you are riding a bike with the handlebars, you don't turn them like you do a car. You lean the way you want to go. Once you start riding with your hands off the bars, here are a few tricks and tips. While turning, I prefer to stop pedaling so I can lean into the turn better. Here are a few places you can keep your hands when they're off the bars. By your side, on your phone, and of course, running. Please share some more tips and tricks you may have in the comment section below. Like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.